Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have some pretty nice stuff to put on the car. So I have some coilovers. Look at these bad boys. Got some Teins, you know, the good stuff, or to me at least. And then I have these hub centering wings because I don't have any on this car right now. I feel like it's kind of causing some wobbles down the road or some instability that I really don't want. And then I have these are the white line sway bar in links. They're adjustable ones, because whenever you lower these cars, typically you need them, because right now I have the stock ones on this car and it is like terrible. They're bending, they're way too tall. It's lowered on some lowering springs already. I did that long time ago, but it's not good. The one on the driver's side is actually bent, like the sway bar end link is bent and it's not all the way in, but it's also seized, so I'm gonna have to use a sawzall or something to get that out. Hopefully it comes out pretty easily, but other than that, like, gotta get some fitment videos before and then put on these coilovers. Just get it moving. It's gonna be pretty nice. Today should be a pretty easy day. Hopefully nothing breaks, or nothing else seizes up. And then next week got some pretty exciting stuff coming. Got some new wheels, so that'll look really good. I don't know, I also got to put on a catch can. Got me one of them catch cans, just some good stuff. So yeah, let's get a move on, get to this unboxing, and get it moving. Thanks. See, got the box here, got my weird knife that I grabbed out of my toolbox. First look, along with you guys. So, should be interesting. Ooh, I am excited about this. Look at these. Oh, look at that. Look at that monstrosity. That thing weighs a ton. Made by Tein. Look at that. It's even got camber plates on the top. That's going to be so nice. Look at that. There's a rear for you. Come on now. The rear, they've got adjustable dampening. Coiler locking rings down there. Set these down. What do we got here? Some instructions. Some stickers. Looks like the adjuster knob over there. Classic spanner wrenches. I already have a ton of these. The front broken, back broken. Get the wheels off, lift the car up, and then I will resume. Where we have the wheel off, and we need to take out these two strut bolts that connect to the hub. We need to take off the sway bar and link, which, as you can see, there is way too much movement. It makes lots of sounds. All right, went ahead and sawzawed it off. I bent the blade a little bit, I'd say, just a little bit, but we got it off. Get this a moving. This is one of the first one of 4 that I have to do. Back 2 shouldn't be too much trouble. Just a couple bolts on the inside, a couple bolts on the bottom side, and that's it. Yeah, there's a hole. Good old stuff. Size comparison between the two, you can see the stock one's a lot longer. Also, it's been kind of measured up ish equally. As you can see, this is the new one. It's got the middle thread lock, and there's the old one. It's all bent because I'm terrible. So this just gonna go in there. So now, as you can see, I got the one that was on it. I actually already had lower springs on it, and the new coilover. It's way lower, like drastically lower. So we're gonna have to raise this up a little bit. We have the white line sway bar and link in, Tein coilovers. Everything's buttoned up, things nice and tight. So excited to see. We might have to adjust the camber. But yeah, as you can see the top, it's got the camber plates. Need to make sure everything, I'll double check everything and make sure everything's tight before I leave. You got the fronts done. So we're gonna crush these back one out real quick before it gets too dark so you can see. Sun's coming down. So as far as the back goes, it's like 2 bolts in the trunk and a few underneath the car. 8. There's one of them, and then the other one is right there. That's for the top of it. Shouldn't be too difficult to get to. That side, a little bit more. And then, if we go under here really quick, as you can see, there's a total of 1, 2, 3 bolts.